Sum versus subtotal in Excel. What the heck's the difference? They both total everything, don't they? You mean I gotta do something different? Well, I'm Tina with Excelling Your Business, your wizard of automation. And Excel does a lot more for you if you use the subtotal function. Let's get to it. So I've got over here a spreadsheet, and you can see I have two columns, amount and amount to, and they're duplicates of each other because I wanted to show you exactly the difference between what subtotal and sum does. So you can see in the amount column, I have the subtotal 109, and it's summing the amount column in the table. In the second one, it's just the sum function with the column amount to. So they're doing exactly the same thing. The power comes when we filter something. So I'm just going to filter to Oh You Witty Things. Quickly, I'm going to scroll up. Now you can see the subtotal function is actually only showing and totaling the amounts of the cells that are actually here in the spreadsheet. Whereas the amount to, the sum function, is still totaling all the cells, including the hidden cells. This is where the subtotal starts to work for you, and you can get very powerful, detailed information very quickly without having to do a lot of work. Let's make Excel work for you instead of you working Excel, because that's what it's really all about. If you want to have a conversation to learn more about how Excel can work for you instead of you working Excel, reach out to me at bit.ly/Excel support, and let's have a conversation. Thanks, and have a great day.